Special greetings, my dear students. Almost we completed our seventh chapter. Today we are going to see the control statements. Okay, today we are going to see the control statements. Almost in previous classes we seen what is the interactive mode, what is the script mode, how to declare variable if a equal to 10. Okay, in this a is a variable name and 10 is a variable value and data is a this is a what data type? It is a numeric data type. Okay, it is numeric data type. Okay, and what is interactive mode? What is a script mode? Okay, how we will get the input from the user? Okay, how we will get input from the user and the print statements. So this all things we seen. Okay, now today we are going to see the control statement. Okay, in this word control, okay, you should remember, see, this control statement is the last topic in our seventh chapter. Okay, after this in eighth chapter we will learn looping. This control statement, okay, this control statement is used to control the entire program. Okay, this control statement is used to control entire program, control entire program. There are so many control statements are there. Okay, but you will learn only few things. Okay, if then else. Okay, only these things you will learn. Okay, so many control statements are there available in Python, but you will learn only less. Okay, now here in your book, okay, in your book, uh, here first statement you can able to see if. Okay, you are going to the ATM. Okay, you are going to the ATM. First, start. Okay, now you are going to the ATM and entering the pin. Now you went to ATM and you are entering the pin number. Okay. Now here what is happening? If the pin number is correct, okay, if the pin number is correct, yes means we can able to withdraw money. Okay, means you can able to withdraw the money. If it is no, if pin number is not correct, it cannot able to withdraw the money. Okay, after it will be over. So actually this is a simple task in a pictorial form. Okay, this is a simple task. Okay, it means we just draw in a flow chart. Okay, we just draw this in a flow chart. See here condition, control statement. Okay, condition. In control statement, with help of condition only it will work. Okay, here what is the condition? Condition is here a pin number. Okay, if correct pin number, okay, if it is correct you can withdraw. If incorrect, okay, cannot withdraw. This is a condition. Okay, so whatever control statement is there, okay, control statement or statement will work with help of the conditions. Okay, control statement will work with help of the condition. Control statement will work with help of the conditions. Okay, now kindly see, in your book they given few control statements. Okay, first one is the if. Okay, first statement is what? If. Here if this statement is used to evaluate only one condition. Okay, only one condition we can able to give. Okay, see here is this is a syntax, how we can able to write the code. Okay, here is a syntax. Example, see here, if. In this place, what will happen? What the condition we are giving? Okay, what the condition we are giving? If it is correct, we will get the output. Okay, if condition is true, we will get the output. If condition is false, we will not get output. It is null, empty, no output. There will be no any output. Okay, this is simple. Kindly see the program. In a program, first a, okay, a in integer. Okay, a is a integer, input, enter a number. B integer, input, enter another number. So first, what the value we are entering in output, where it will store in a. Second, what the value we are entering in output, it will store in a b. Okay, what is the condition? If, okay, a equal to b, double equal, okay, the number are equal. If both number are equal, means if both value we entered same, it will come numbers are equal. If we enter different value, it will come it is not equal. Okay, so simple. We will type this program, and remaining program only you have to type. Okay, we will type this program, remaining program only you have to type. File, new file. Say what they written there, same I'm going to return here. Okay, a equal to int. Okay, input, enter the first value. Okay, enter the first value, close the comment. Okay, just I am copying this all. Okay, because next line it is easier for us. Enter the second value. Okay, and what is the condition? If, okay, if a double equaled b. Okay, print the numbers are equal. Okay, now see here what I typed here, what the condition I given here. A integer. Okay, a integer, b also integer, but in a we are getting input. Enter the first value. What the value we are going to type, it will store in where? First. And what the value we are typing, it will store in a b. If, okay, both are equal, we will get the output, the numbers are equal. If both numbers are not equal, what the value we typed, if it is not equal, we will not get any output. Now see here, run program. Okay, run program. We have to save. I am saving in a desktop. Okay, sample, save it. So here is the output. Now I am entering here 1. Okay, and here also I am entering 1. The numbers are equal. Okay, the numbers are equal. In case again I am running. Okay, run program. Now it came. Now I am entering 1 and I am entering 2. You know well what is the condition? It should be equal, but now condition is not, means it will not tally the condition. Here we didn't get any output. In previous program what we got? The numbers are equal, but here no any output. This is a difference. Okay, this is a difference. This is a difference. Okay. Okay, this is the difference. Now next program, if else. Okay, if else. In this place what we can do, here you can able to see the syntax. Okay, syntax is here, we can able to see. In this place again, if condition. Okay, if condition is true we will get one output, if condition is false we will get another output. Here if condition is true we will get a output. Okay, if condition is false we will get another output which we mentioned. Okay, it is an another. We may say another program we may execute. Okay, for your understanding I am mentioning here another output, but another output is not correct. Okay, exact word it is not. If condition is true first statement will work. Okay, means here statement 1 we may say statement 1 will work. If condition is false statement 2 will work. Okay, but in a if statement only one statement will be there, only statement 1. If condition is true it will work, if condition is false it will not work. But here if condition is true statement 1 will run, if condition is false statement 2 will run. Okay, I am making you zoom. See the program. A, enter the first number. B, enter the second number. If A is greater, first condition, this is the first condition. Okay, A is greater than B. Okay, else means what? If condition is not tallying. Okay, if condition is not tallying. If A is greater, okay, this output will generate. If A is not greater, then this output will generate. Okay, now we will type this program. Kindly see, I am just again opening that program. Okay, now see what we are going to write. Okay, if okay, A greater than B. Okay, if A greater than B. Okay, is greater than B. Okay, else. Okay, here B is greater than A. Now we can able to see this very clearly. Okay, we can you can able to see this very clearly. Now I am going to run program, save it. Okay, my dear students, here everything is correct, but this place we given a gap. You can able to identify the gap, correct? So there should be no any gap. With the gap, when we are running, it will not execute. Okay, just to cancel the gap. And now if you run, okay, after removing the when we are running, do you want to save? Yes, save. Now what is the condition we given? I will make it little bit zoom. Okay, what the condition we given here? If b is greater, b is bigger than a is greater than, means according to the value. Okay, if b is greater, we will get b is greater, else a is greater. Now see here, first I am typing 5, 10, b is greater. Okay, so in this place, if you want a b value, b, okay, 1 comma. I think this is no need. Okay, sir, in case if I want equal, if we are typing equal, what will happen? Okay, so if you, what condition we given? Greater. It should be greater. It should be greater. Okay. Else, if I again running, okay, run mode, save. Okay. Now I am typing 6 and 3. Now a is greater. You can see the difference. A is greater, b is greater first, and second a is greater. If I type equal value, okay, run. Now again came. So 2, 2. A is greater. Because what condition we given? We given only the condition greater. We didn't give the condition equal. If you want equal here, else if, okay, if A is equal, else if is a, it is the next program, okay. Now run mode. Run mode. Yes, saved. 2, 2. Now see, A and B are equal. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Remaining program we can see. Else if statement is there, we can see in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.